Before we begin the video, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and click the little bell to be notified of future videos. Let's start the show. Hey there, good morning. So today is a sea day. So it is kind of foggy and gray outside, and that's okay because we're inside the ship doing our stuff to keep active. So what we're going to do is just take you around the ship today and see what's going on. So it should be a pretty quiet, easy day on board the ship. Sea days are always nice because you just kind of hang out and do your own thing and don't feel rushed. But that's what we're going to do today, hang out on the ship. So let's go around and see what's going on. All right, well, we are cruising along here, and we've got some white caps out the window, as you just saw. So we're going up to the pool to see if there's any big waves. So let's go see what's going on up at the pool. Okay, so we're not going to the pool after all because it is way too windy out here and kind of dangerous and wet, slick. So let's go back inside and do something else. Well, today has been a lazy day. It's too wet and it's too cold and it's too rocky to be spending much time outside. So we've just kind of lounged around the room. Anyway, we're off to dinner now, so we'll see what's going on out there. So let's go see what's in the dining room. Whoa! So earlier in the day, the captain came on the PA system and told everybody if you have Dramamine or whatever for seasickness, it was a good time to take it. And he was right, because the ocean is a little rough. So we just got back from dinner, and it was really funny watching people trying to walk out of the dining room as the ship was moving. I wasn't sure if they'd had too much to drink or if it was just the motion of the ocean. Anyway, let's take a look outside. You can see that it's kind of stormy, but you know, it's always fun when it's a little rocky. When we were in Antarctica, it was fun for the first 2 hours, but crossing the Drake Passage, after that, it was a little annoying. So literally, I just laid on my bed for like a day because that's how long it took to cross the Drake Passage. But today, it shouldn't be that bad, as we're just off the coast of we're not Vancouver Island, we're off the coast of British Columbia. So kind of by Queen Charlotte Islands, around there, Prince Rupert. Anyway, check out the view as we sail south and the rough. I didn't go out on the balcony because it's too wet and windy and I'd probably get blown off the edge, so we stayed inside to take that video. But you can see it's a little rough, kind of fun. That's the end of our video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. Click here to select the video that's best for you, and click here to see the playlist of the Alaska cruise.